Good day, my Stitchy family, and welcome to my channel, Stitcha-Rella. Today I'm bringing you yet another amazing unboxing from Dreamstitch. That is www.dreamstitch.top. Now, Dreamstitch is an amazing store. You guys know what I think of Dreamstitch. They are superb. The shop belongs to Ryan, and he is doing such a good job. They sell all kinds of cross-stitch stuff, and it's not only that. They do our favorite stamped cross-stitch, and then they have a lot of counted cross-stitch stuff like the Adas, and you can buy up to 1.5 meters at a time, PDF files, beaded cross-stitch 11 and 9 count. The difference is 11 is those little round pearly plastic beady thingies, and the 11 count is seed beads, which is glass. Now they also offer customs, and guess what? They do beaded customs, they do the normal customs, and they are fantastic. Now remember, when you order from Dreamstitch, if you order fairy, which we are doing today, or sell by, give a 2-week a lead time, please. Otherwise your shipping is much faster, but it's worth the wait, that I promise you. Now, one thing special about fairy, I need to tell you this. I pre-recorded videos, and the previous videos I put an insert for it, but yeah, I can talk because I got the info. Now, Dreamstitch is offering an extra 7% automatic discount in your cart. Now, if you take, that's automatic discount for fairy products. So if you put a fairy product in your cart, there's automatic 7% discount. If you use my special code, SUNNET, for extra 5% off, that makes it 12% off. So on all your other products you'll get the 5%, but on fairy products you'll get 12% off. Now that is amazing, and remember to use my code SUNNET. I think it is fabulous savings. Now, Dreamstitch for over $50, $60 and $70. They offer free shipping now as well, and that is fantastic, right? Free shipping, that is amazing. So make sure you load enough in your cart to get that free shipping, because it's worth it. Now today we are gonna open another fairy brand cross stitch, and I'm very excited about this one. I just want to tell you, the customer service that Ryan gives is fabulous. A while ago, I think a video or two back, I didn't receive needles, and I asked him what happened, because it's a brand, why is the needles? He says sometimes the suppliers pack the toolkits full, sometimes not. So he offered to send me some, but I said he doesn't have to, because it's not a problem. I just wanted to know what's going on, but that's also sorted out. There was a problem with my you guys know, because you stitch along with me, with my custom, the print was skew, but Ryan immediately fixed it. He fixed it. So I'm waiting for the new print. I'll show you guys when I receive it. So I'm super happy with this store. The store is really something else, and I think they rock. They do. It's Dreamstitch rocks. All right, so you have a look there. Don't you think that is beautiful? Now, when I saw this, I've got a compass on my arm as well. I've got one tattooed, and I don't know, I love this. It's the wild ocean with a ship and a compass, and let's have a look what we got here today. So I'm opening, and there's the box. You see there's some accessories. I see my needles. Nice, there's the box. Nice. So far so good. So let's have a look here. Now this is a bit different. They normally put it on the thread, on the little thread organizers for you, but I don't mind at all. Not at all. So here's all my floss, and oh my word. There's a paper that tells you what should be in here. And I'm telling you, there's a lot. But we're gonna have a look. Got my needles, got that, and let's have a look at this beauty. Well, I think it's a beauty. There's a little fragrance pack for Abby. Abby loves these. She puts them in her drawers. They smell so good. Alright, so here's the pattern, and it is amazing. There's seagulls, and it's an ominous sky, and it's a stormy sea. It is just fantastic. Beautiful front picture. And the size of this one is 75 by 125. What an amazing stitch. Oh my word, it's beautiful. So let's have a look here. See, what Fairy does, this first pages that I go through is the same symbols. Like say this on the side U. The same symbols of different colors they put there for you, and then the color the thread is. It's very convenient when you stitch, so by the way. Now, this one, there is mixed stitches. So it goes up to 103 colors for plain one color stitches. And then mixed stitches goes up to 164. Wow. Wow. They never stop. They just give me chicken skin. Yes, they give me chicken skin. This is amazing. It is really good. I just want to fix this book because it's falling out. You can't have that. No, the pages are not stuck in. There you go. So amazing. Very professionally done. I love this. Okay, so let's just put this in here. Let's take photos later. Let's have a look here. We've got needles. I hope we've got more than 2 because this is quite a big stitch. I've got lots of needles, but for a person that stitched for the first time, there's a few in here. 25 needles. Number 24. This is superb. So you get 25 prim needles. Wow. Prim needles, excellent. It is excellent. Very, very good. All right. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 little thread organizers. And I just want to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 30, 60, 90. It's enough. It's going to be beautiful. And guess what? I love purple. You guys know how I feel about purple. Purple is just the color for me. This is more violet, but it's a variation of purple. So purple, thank you. I'm happy. Now, let's have a peek at this. Oh, this is gonna be beautiful. One day when I retire, I want to stay at the ocean. Hopefully my dream comes true. Oh my word, it's nice. Now it's serge all the way around for our convenience. Remember, they print with non-allergy, I don't know how to say it in English, but a lot of people are allergic to the ink. Now they use ink you can't be allergic to. It is 14 count, 350 by 622. That is 75 by 125 centimeters. Now, oh my. Alright, so I cannot show you, but I will. Just stay tuned. After the thank you, I will post the image and then this whole canvas. It is fabulous. It is really so pretty. You don't even understand. There's a ship. I think the ship is there. Because this is the compass. Oh, this is beautiful. It is amazing. Okay, I'm taking so long because I'm checking the print. Getting chicken skin. Because it's beautiful. Alright, so let me show you how clear the print is. Now this is 164 colors. Look at this. You're not going to need to check your pattern. You're not going to Very well done. It is very, very well done. I love this. I can show you on other pieces. It is constant. You can see every little symbol. I love it. It is superb. Alright, so while I get this out, I want to ask, if it's the first time watching my videos, please hit the subscribe button. By doing that, you help me out a lot. You motivate me to make more videos, and it's for free. Now this is a they're just telling you the codes of all of these. I'm not saying how many, but what you should have. So this is gonna do a bit of sorting. I'm not taking all of them out. It is loads. Look. The colors are fabulous. Look at this. It's like a golden color with the dark blue. Look at that. Four packets of this. I think it's fabulous. I was so excited when I saw this one. I promise you guys, it is amazing. I just absolutely love this. Now, a big shout out and thank you to Dreamstitch owner Ryan. You're doing such a good job. You guys, if you haven't seen Dreamstitch or haven't gotten something there or haven't gone through the website, go and look. You are gonna be amazed. The shop rocks. Alright, so I hope you liked this unboxing. If you did, leave me a comment, tell me what you think. I absolutely love it. I think these brands are excellent quality. It makes me want to have 10 pairs of hands. Alright, thank you for watching. I love you guys. Till next time, Stitcha-Rella.